Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, sometimes you don't have a smart speaker, or basically Wi-Fi casting, you just have a regular Bluetooth speaker you want to use. Well, the good news, connecting Amazon Music to a Bluetooth speaker is just like connecting any other audio app. Once paired, all your music plays through the speaker with that deep room and sound. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to pair your phone with a Bluetooth speaker and get Amazon Music playing through in no time. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So if you have a normal speaker, let's say for example a JBL, put your speaker in pair mode. Turn on your Bluetooth speaker and tap on a Bluetooth icon or just push it in pair mode. This usually means holding the power button or any dedicated Bluetooth button until the light starts flashing. Then check your speaker's manual if you are unsure how to do this. Then you can easily open the phone settings. On iPhone you can go through Bluetooth settings, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. On our Android device we can easily access it from the bar here or from the Bluetooth settings. Make sure it's toggled on also, then pair the devices. Under other devices or available devices, you should see your speaker's name appear, then tap on it to pair. You might hear basically a solid light on the speaker or basically a solid sound. Then go all the way to the Amazon Music and play whatever song you like. Once paired, it's easy to play any song on Amazon Music app. It's basically just like any other app, like Spotify for example, Deezer, YouTube. That's it. It's basically simple. So that was it for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.